Hello, guys. My name is Paulina, and today we're going to talk about event go type in Universal Analytics. I think this topic is pretty much complex, so I will divide it in two parts. In this one, we're going to talk about what are events, how to create them, and how to implement it by code. In the second one, I will let you know how to implement it by GTM. So let's start from clarifying what are events. Events is our custom actions on the website that you will need to collect information from the website. So let's say it can be a button click, it can be a video play, it can be a downloading the price list from your website, it can be even a page view, but it's easier to track it with your destination goal. Anyway, event, let's say it's a custom action on the website from user side. So how to create this custom action? We are going to the admin section. It's on the left bottom corner. Then we are going to the goals. Let me put myself on the right place, and then we're gonna click on the plus new goal. We're gonna get to the goal description, so we need to fill this field with the name. Let's say we're gonna talk about add to cart click. It's like the most basic action on the e-commerce website or on the shop website, so I will name it as add to cart click. Then the goal slot ID should stay untouched, and then we are going to the type of the goal, and we choose event, and we can click blue button continue. Right now we are in a go details. We can see four attributes: category, action, label, and value. Two of them are required, it's category and action, and two of them are optional, it's label and value. So the category of the event, it can be the object that should be touched on the website, and the action, it's their way it should be touched, let's say. So for example, if we are talking about phone click, the category is going to be phone, the action is going to be click. If we are talking about add to cart, the action is going to be add, the category is going to be cart, yeah, because we are adding something to the cart. If we are talking about label, this attribute is optional. By mentioning something in this field, you can specify what exact object is being triggered on the website. So for example, if we are talking about phone click, and you have two kind of phone numbers on the website, for example, to the main office or to the customer support, here you can mention, for example, customer, or you can mention main or sales office, anything that you want to specify what font was clicked. And in value field, you can specify a monetary value that you are getting from this action mm, is being done, or is being touched on the website. And if you don't know the value, you can stay empty with this field, the same as label. So we just need to specify category and action. So this is a configuration, a goal, a configuration for the goal in Universal Analytics. But as I'm talking today with you about code implementation, we need a code to be implemented at the same time, on the website, and here created an event. So how the code looks like, it looks like this. You can see a gtag code, event, action, event category, event label, and in front of every name of the attribute should be the value, should be the variable that you put the same in analytics account. So for example, today we're talking about add to cart button. On my website, I have a shop page, and I would like to know every time people add to cart, for example, this beanie. Yes, so I have this button, and I'd like to know how many times people add to cart. So I'm going to the analytics, and I'm gonna put to the category a cart, and to the action add, and as label and value, they are optional attributes. I would stay empty with them, and I'm gonna go to my code. The code look like this: gtag, event, action, event, category. I'm gonna copy, and I'm gonna create my own code for this specific event. as I'm staying empty with label and value, I'm just gonna remove them all because I don't need this information in the report. Then in action, I need to put in a singular quotation marks like this, the same value that I put in analytics. So you can see here it was action. I'm going to analytics, and what I have here at. So I copy at and I put it in a singular quotation marks in front of event. Here we have event category. So I'm going to remove category, put there singular quotation marks, and I'm going to go to analytics. I'm going to copy their value that I put to the field of the category, and I'm going to come back to my code. And here in singular quotation marks, I will put the value that I have in analytics account. And right now I can copy my gtag code and I'm gonna go straight to my website to implement this action there. I'm gonna inspect the button of the add to cart. And you can see on the right, we have an A element, and I need to implement gtag with a function, JavaScript function on click inside opening tag of the A element of our button. So I'm going to put it here somewhere at the end of the opening tag. Okay, I'm going to put on click, then the equal sign, and then inside quotation marks, but it should be double quotation marks, I will implement my gtag code. As I'm the admin of this website, I can save it. I have it here. And right now, to verify if it's working, let me go to analytics. Let me save this goal that I just created with you. And I'm going to go to real-time report and I'm going to go to conversions. This kind of goal we can verify in real time. And I hope it's going to fire right now. So I'm going to go to my website and I'm going to click on the add to cart. And this on click function should work. So let me come back to a real time report and you can see it's firing. Yeah, right now one active user made this go fire 100%. So yeah, that's how it works. If I want every button to be clicked and every button to be measured, I need this code to be implemented in every button that has this add to cart action. If you don't know how to do it, I just showed you the example how it should look like, how it should be verified then. You can reach out to your developers or to your webmasters and they would implement it. So it's just for your knowledge to make it wider, and I hope it was clear for you. And in the next video I'm going to show you how you can implement it without touching code of your website. That's pretty much